Huh? There you go. You drive. Zoom. Zoom. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You're getting it, aren't you? You know how this works, don't you? Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We can't do that. Wait, we want it down. How is it?
It's down.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to leave it down. If we put it up, it's going to run the motor into the garage. So what do you think? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah.
This is telephone.
It looks like a telephone cord, doesn't it? That's a cord for the key. That way if you fall off the boat and it's running, it'll stop the motor.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
It'll stop, that's right.
Stop.
Yeah. Vroom.
Stop.
Stop.
Oh, stop.
Yeah.
I haven't been in this pontoon yet.
Look.
It's nice.
Yeah, we like it. Malachi's the only one that's got to be in it, hasn't you? Yep.
No.
Yeah,
A button.
that's right. It's got a button. Yeah.
And come out.
Huh?
Sit down.
You good? You down?
Yeah.
Okay. You done? Okay. Move the seat.